Hello CS50, this is Carlos and this is project 2 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. For this project I used three different models, one for the auctions, one for the bids, and one for the comments. The first feature I'm going to show you is the creation of a new listing. So if you click here on create listing, you're going to be presented with this form. Now you can add a title for your new listing. You can add a description. You can add an initial price, a category, in this case I'm going to use tech, and the URL for an image. You click on create listing and your new listing is going to appear here on your main page. Also, as you may see on your main page on active listing, you're going to have the information of all the active listing that has been created on the page. For each listing, you're going to have the title of the listing, a short description, a price, and the category. Now I'm going to show you the listing page. If you click on any of the items that are shown on the active listing page, you're going to be redirected to the listing page for that item. In this case, as you may see, you are still able to see the title of the listing, the current price, the description. You also have a section to create a comment. You can also have the category this item belongs, and also an option to add these items to the watch list. If you click in Add to Watch List, this item is going to be added to your watch list. Also, if you are logged in, you are going to be able to bid for this item. So if I type a new price here, and that price is lower than the current price, you're going to be presented with an error. But if you type a price that is higher than the current price, the price is going to be updated. Now, if I log in as the user who created this listing, I'm going to be able to both close this listing or delete this listing. In this case, I'm going to close the listing. So now this listing is no longer active, so it's not going to appear on my active listing page. However, if I'm the user who won the listing, I'm going to be able to still see the listing because I'm the winner. And I'm going to have this message that basically tells me that I won this auction. Also, if I click on a listing and I go to the comment section, I'm going to be able to type a new comment for it. I can comment, and the new comment is going to appear here on the bottom of the listing. Also, I created a watch list link. So if I go to any of these items and I add it to my watch list page, they are all going to appear here on my watch list page. I can delete any of them from the watch list if I want. And if I click on any of them, I'm going to be redirected to the listing page for that particular item. We also have a link that group our items by category. So if I click here, this is going to show me all the different categories that has been created up to this moment on my page. So for example, if I click here on shoes, I'm going to see all the items that belongs to this category. Finally, I'm going to show you the Django admin interface. So if I type here /admin, I'm going to see all the objects for all the different models that I created. I'm going to be able to modify or delete any of them. So if I go back to my main page, I'm going to see that now I have less auctions available.